We get a lot of questions about triggering calls instantly to a lead who's signed up or filled up a lead form. And in this video, I'll show you how to set up that automation using your voice API provider and voice AI wrapper. The first step to do is to connect your voice provider. It can be anything from VAPI, Level Labs, or something else. And once you've connected your voice provider, you'll see a voice pod show up like this one here. And after that, I'm going to enter this pod and I'll set up a campaign, right? Inside the campaign, there's an option to add leads from an external source, and we allow adding leads via API. So all you need to do is use the add lead API, and you can use this API to fetch leads real time from anywhere, from a CRM system, from a Google Sheet, from an Airtable, for example. What this will do is this will instantly add the lead to the campaign to be called, right? And of course, in the campaign, you can then configure the number you want the call to go out from, or a series of numbers using our phone number pool. We have detailed videos on how all of this works in our tutorials. And then you select the agent who's supposed to call out. You can also configure the campaign cadence, and based on the cadence and based on the agent and the number, as soon as a lead comes in via an ad form, your campaign will trigger an outgoing call. You can capture all that information. You can perform actions like book a meeting, trigger an SMS, or whatever, and you can set all this up in your voice provider. You can also take the entire conversation history, its outcome, its result, via an webhook, and you can send it to, let's say, a n or a make.com, and you can trigger, let's say, email alerts to go out to your clients, informing them that one of the leads have booked a meeting or said yes to a purchase, for example. And you can also go ahead and send this directly to any CRM system like HubSpot or GHL, right? So this is how you set up speed to lead campaigns. And once your campaigns are live, you will also see analytics. We've given you a demo pod which has some data, and this helps you visualize how the campaign analytics are going to look like once your campaign is live. So you'll also get performance summaries, and you'll get campaign analytics along with lead calling outcomes that you can check for yourself. And you can also create a client portal which can display all this data for their client and inform them how effective your outbound campaigns has been.